Imagine if you could walk through life completely free from the fear of judgment, embracing your authentic self with confidence. What would it feel like to finally stop worrying about what others think of you and instead focus on your own peace and self-worth? You can make that reality your truth, and it starts right here, right now. Welcome, mindful friend and beautiful soul, to today's session on Mindful Raisee. This is where we will embrace your unique essence and free you from the burden of judgment. Today, you're here to let go of fear and step into a life filled with inner peace, self-love, and confidence. There are no coincidences, my friend. You're here for a reason, and the universe has brought you to this very moment because you are ready for change. This session will be transformative, but only if you stay until the very end. Trust me, those who stay committed and open will receive the ultimate affirmation that will guide you on your journey toward fearlessness. Stay with me, and let's unlock the true power of your mind together. This session works because we are going to train your subconscious mind. When you repeat affirmations, they begin to replace old patterns of self-doubt and fear. The power of repetition, combined with deep breathing and focused intention, rewires your brain and helps you build resilience against judgment. By doing this, you begin to reprogram how you perceive yourself and how you react to others' opinions. This is how lasting change happens. Before we dive in, find a quiet space. You can do this affirmation however you feel most comfortable, whether that's repeating the words aloud or quietly in your mind. I recommend wearing headphones and focusing on your breath. Get comfortable and ready to embrace the change that's coming. Let's start by grounding ourselves. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment at the top, and now slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing all tension. One more time. Breathe in deeply, hold and exhale completely. Allow your body to relax with each breath. Now that we're centered, let's begin the affirmations. Repeat after me and allow these words to sink deep into your heart and mind. I am enough just as I am. I accept all parts of myself, flaws, strengths, and everything in between. I am not defined by the opinions of others. I stand strong in my truth, unaffected by judgment. My self-worth is not determined by others' approval. I honor myself and I trust my own path. I choose to live authentically, embracing who I am without fear or shame. Every judgment I have carried is released. I let go of the need for external validation and trust in my inner wisdom. I am at peace with who I am and confident in the choices I make for my life. I am not afraid to shine in my own light. I embrace my uniqueness and honor my journey. I am free from the weight of others' expectations. I live my truth boldly and proudly. I am not afraid to be myself. I trust that the world will accept me as I am. I release all fears of criticism and welcome the freedom of being true to myself. I am deserving of love and respect, regardless of what others think. I choose to focus on my growth, not on others' opinions of me. I let go of the need to please others. I am enough just as I am. I trust in my decisions and stand firm in my beliefs without seeking approval from others. I am free to express myself without fear or hesitation. I accept my imperfections as they make me uniquely beautiful. I trust that my value is inherent and I do not need to prove myself to anyone. I am empowered by my uniqueness and I celebrate it without fear of judgment. I let go of all limiting beliefs I've held about my worth or abilities. I embrace the freedom of being unapologetically me, without fear of what others might say. I no longer seek validation from others. I validate myself and trust my inner wisdom. I am proud of who I am becoming, and I no longer need to conform to anyone's expectations. I let go of the fear of rejection. I am loved and supported just as I am. I choose to be at peace with who I am, knowing that I am constantly evolving. I am strong enough to stand by my values, even when they are misunderstood. I allow myself to be fully present, knowing that my true self is worthy of attention. I am not defined by others' opinions. I define myself through my own actions and beliefs. I trust that being true to myself is the best way to attract the people who will love and support me. I choose to surround myself with people who celebrate me for who I truly am. I trust that the right people will accept me for my authenticity, and the wrong people will fall away. Let's close this session by taking one final deep breath together. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, letting these affirmations sink deep into your subconscious mind. If your eyes have been closed, you can open them whenever you are ready. Take your time. Congratulations, mindful friend and beautiful soul, for staying until the end of the session. You've just taken a massive step towards embracing your true self. You are truly brave for looking fear in the face and choosing to live authentically. Keep this courage with you. The more you repeat these affirmations, the deeper they will sink into your mind and shape your reality. Do this every morning, before you start your day or whenever you need to reconnect with your self-worth. Keep going for 21 days, and you will begin to feel the power of these words. Spread this kindness and empowerment to everyone around you. Share this session with someone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe to Mindful Raisee, like this video, and hit the bell icon. By doing so, you are committing to your growth and showing the world that you are ready for change. Comment below or share your experience. Together, we can support each other on this journey. You are never alone. Thank you for being here today, for allowing this transformation to happen. I am proud of you, and I believe in you. Keep shining your light. And now, let's close with one final affirmation. I am enough as I am, and I walk my path with courage and grace, free from the weight of others' judgments. Take this affirmation with you and know that you are always worthy of living your truth. Wishing you peace, love, and strength on your journey.